Morning. Day 2. Before we go, it's actually quite late already.
Good morning. It's USJ Day. Ministers Cup.
Yes. Super Pride Bridge. Super Pride. Officially in Universal Studios.
Officially, unofficially, we haven't checked in yet.
Check in. Oh yeah. I mean yeah. We haven't go in like it's just there though.
Lambat je.
皆さんありがとうございます。じゃあ3番のチョコレートだと思う方手を挙げてください。
We are getting chocolate churros. We got the churros.
Got the chocolate churros.
It's long. That's good.
Do you see Hogsmeade? I say Hogsmeade.
Got the premium cups. It's gold.
So good.
It's steaming. Yours is steamed.
So mine's steaming king. I got a hot but a beer. It's not bad.
The cold one. Oh, sorry. We are done with USJ, having dinner. I'm done with my dinner. She's still eating. We're both fucking naked, yeah, mate.
He sounds like naked.
Naked. Now the problem is traveling back. I'm so tired from walking. I think we got a 40 minutes travel back.
Are you recording?
So cute.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Kena force to vlog.
So cute.
So awkward. And you?
Yes.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Shower dia.
I shower already also. Time to go shopping. Shopping! Day 3! Ooh, that's a lot of scarves. So cute, the scarves. Do I regret my scarf?
Morning. It's not morning, it's 1 p.m.
It's 1 p.m. and we're just starting our day. And we have a dinner reservation at 5:30. So how are we gonna cram all the shopping in 4 hours? I don't know. Huh? How? We shopping.
Bought some silly stuff.
It's not silly.
And-
We knew we want. Oh. We knew we want it for like 6 months, more than 6 months.
Almost bought a New Balance shoe also.
Yeah. But we
No,
shall
no, no.
think about it.
We have to relax, it's only the third day.
Finally reached here.
The Running Man.
Running man. Okay, time to go eat dinner. Say hi, guys. Oi, has to say hi, sir. Say hi. Okay, hi. Oof. This mad, bro. Yeah, okay. Just look at them, like, just looking at my coffee.